Hi, my name's Darren, UNK student. My major is education with English. I'm going to be an English teacher. I love to read and write. I have been reading ever since I think before kindergarten, actually. I have more than 50,000 books in my house, so it's like living in a library. Um, I used to write a lot when I was a teenager and in my 20s, but after having kids, I kind of pushed it aside. And so just got into writing again, and I'm loving it. Um, I am originally from Hastings. I lived in San Diego in my 20s, really nice place. I lived in Washington D.C. in my 30s, another really nice place. Um, but I came back home to Hastings, because to raise my kids when they were little, just because it's a nice place to raise your kids. Um, that's about it for now. Thank you.